welcome back to the Sports Republic. We're continuing with our series of rating IPL teams for the second phase of IPL 2021. Moving on to the mother of all franchises, which is Mumbai Indians. Yeah, they have won 5 championships and they are the mother of all franchises. Don't laugh, boys. I know you support different teams, but don't laugh. Yeah. Moving on, guys, what we are doing here, just for the audience sake, if you haven't watched the previous episodes, just go. Here's a link for one of the episodes. You can follow the playlist and watch what ratings are we giving for the teams. For this video, I'm just going to be elaborating how we're going to be rating these teams. We're going to be rating them on 4 factors, which is one is their Indian core, the second is their overseas 4. The third parameter is their team balance, and the fourth is their leadership group. Guys, moving on to Mumbai Indians. Yeah, Vignesh, Mumbai Indians, Indian core. What do you want to rate them out of 10?
Yes, Mumbai Indians, the playing 11 of the Mumbai Indians Indian core is, absolutely fantastic. If there is no hyperbole to that particular statement, you have the league's most successful captain opening the innings for them. You have Surya and Ishan, 2 of the recent breakout stars selected. 6 out of 15 members from the Indian team are from Mumbai Indians. So even then, if you see, the rating is quite low as per their standards. I'm going with 8.5, just because there isn't enough bench strength of that Indian core outside of the playing 11. Hence, 8.5.
I mean, that is a potential point we can pick up, but they're never injured. Because what do you go?
Well, my rating is same as Vignesh. और जो पॉइंट पार्ट जो काटा है उसमें उसका रीजन मैं बताता हूँ. पहले तो जो बेंच स्ट्रेंथ की बात करते हैं या फिर जो इंडियन कोर के बारे में
9.5 दे रहा है क्या तू? 0.5 काटा है.
मैं 9 इज माय हाईएस्ट. लाइक मैं वो एक
ओके सॉरी गो अहेड
तो ठीक है. यार तुमने 6 बोला है 15 में से विघ्नेश, लेकिन 5 तो पक्का टीम में खेलने वाले भाई. In the playing 11, समझ रहे हो? That's the kind of Indian, core they have. 0.5 for Hardik Pandya's form. I think that can be a big factor. क्योंकि वो एक ऐसा बंदा है कि he is not someone like Ishan Kishan जिसको वो टीम के बाहर रख सके. They can afford to, जिसको टीम के बाहर रख सकते हैं. Hardik Pandya is that guy जो तुमको पूरे IPL के लिए दिखेगा irrespective of his form. So 0.5 is for that. Otherwise, 8.5.
Guys, I went in with a 9, bro. Like, guys, I don't know why.
That's still fair, man. That's still fair. Absolutely.
I gave them a 9 because I think at least their 4 IPL titles are on the back of their. You can never say that because Pollard is, and there was Malinga before, and they were such an important part of their team. But look at the team, bro. They have Rohit Sharma, arguably India's best white ball batsman. They have Jasprit Bumrah, which is not arguably, he is our best bowler in any, white ball, red ball, in any form of the game.
Yeah.
They have Rahul Chahar, who is arguably India's leading spinner right now. They have Hardik Pandya, who is India's premier white ball, or maybe second now in terms of, even if form is gone, even if Jadeja is not number 1, he is at number 2.
Yeah.
You have Ishan Kishan, one of the swashbuckling left-handers. People have been saying that he can replace he cannot replace. Nobody can replace Pant, but he's that sort of a player. He's trying to mold himself. And after all this is done, there's Surya, who has forced Virat Kohli to open in T20s because he's so good in the middle overs. He's probably the best out there. So 9, bro. I don't know. I'm not a Mumbai fan. That's why I did not give them 9.5 or 10. For me, it's 9 all the way. Going to the overseas 4, I'll start with Vikas now. Vikas, what do you want to give them for their overseas 4?
For their overseas 4, ये देखो, हम जब मुंबई के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, मैं जो मुंबई के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, इट्स मुंबई का कंपटीशन उनके 4 पैरामीटर्स से ही है. For me, it's like 8.5. Nah. So for me, it's 7.5 because they have a problem of 4th overseas. So they are fixed with Pollard. They are fixed with Trent Bolt as well. Quinton de Kock is there, but I don't really find him very explosive. शायद जरूरत नहीं है इसीलिए, या फिर आई डोंट नो, दे डोंट
performs when he needs to.
परफॉर्म व्हेन ही नीड्स टू, और थोड़ा सा चिल्ड आउट है, जरूरत नहीं है शायद इसके लिए। और उनके पास चौथे ओवरसीज का प्रॉब्लम है, और बेंच स्ट्रेंथ में भी उतना तगड़ा कोई है नहीं, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक 7.5.
Sure. Vignesh?
Yes, Vikas rightly said, you compare teams based on their own different parameters. And this is where Mumbai, I guess, self-admittedly know that they are short of a quality fourth overseas player. Despite, and De Kock might be very unassuming in the way he scores runs, but he has the luxury of not willing to score runs or not wanting to score runs. That is Mumbai's strength. But the fourth overseas player, and he, whoever they bring in, it disturbs the balance of the team. Whoever fourth player, it is owing to the strength of the other players that it is often, overridden. Else there is a weak area. I'll go with a 7 then.
Oh, you have a 7.5, we have a 7. I'm also going with a 7.5. Now, listening to Vignesh's argument, I want to go with a 7, but since I originally submitted my rating as 7.5, I'm going to go with 7.5 as my rating. Again, because I have too much faith in Pollard now. Not only as for example, when Rohit Sharma doesn't play, Pollard is the de facto captain of this team, and he has a separate attitude for captaincy. I don't know. It comes from being a West Indian. It comes from being part of that 5 championship winning team. But yeah, for me it's 7.5, especially for Pollard. And Quinton de Kock, I think he performs when he's needed. And Mumbai Indians, Bolt here. Bolt is a great addition. We spoke about it before this, before the season started. Great death bowler, can swing it at the start. The fourth guy is the problem, as we know. But yeah, I'm going to go with 7.5. The next parameter, guys, we're going for is the team balance. Vikas, what do you rate them for the team balance?
Mumbai team
Indians?
balance, I have a mighty 9 for them because they got great openers. They got great middle order.
Everything is great.
Everything is great. उनके पास दो बाप bowlers है. They have Bumrah and Bolt. ठीक है. फिर I think वो जो spinner वाला कोटा है उनके पास, and coming in UAE again, last time जब हमने पिछले बार जब सोचा था कि राहुल चहर, क्योंकि
किसने सोचा था? वंडर किसने सोचा था?
मैंने सोचा. तो राहुल चहर एंड कृणाल पांड्या बाकी कैसा भी परफॉर्म हो या ना हो, आई थिंक ही इज अ वेरी इकोनॉमिकल बॉलर. वहां पर वो बॉलर रन्स रोक के ही डज दैट. एंड राहुल चहर के बारे में अगर तुम सोचो, युजवेंद्र चहल जो पिछले 2 साल से इंडिया का लीडिंग स्पिनर था, लेग स्पिनर छोड़ो, ऑफ स्पिनर छोड़ो, ही वाज अ लीडिंग स्पिनर ऑफ इंडिया. अगर उसके ऊपर राहुल चहर को इंडियन टीम ने भरोसा दिलाया, सो आई थिंक दैट स्पीक्स फॉर हिमसेल्फ. तो मेरे को लगता है कि राहुल चहर भी, तो वो जो सेटअप है ओवरऑल, एंड न्यूज में ऐसा भी है कि हार्दिक पांड्या विल गिव देम ऑल द ओवर्स. So I think that sets up the great balance for them. So I have a mighty 9 for them.
That's a great news for India as well. Vignesh, what are you rating them for the team balance?
I'm quite skeptical that whether they will be allowing Pandya to bowl. The reason being, if they need Pandya to bowl after all, but there is a clear chink of weakness we can see is the 4th and the 5th bowlers quota. You have Bumrah's 4 overs, you have Bolt's 4 overs. You have Rahul Chahar's 4 overs, but if teams can wisely target those 8 overs and target the fact that the Pandya brothers are not in the best of form, and Ishan Kishan is blow hot, blow cold, one kind of a day. So there is, there are sort of weaknesses, visible weaknesses there, but I'm not sure if other teams are good enough to expose them. I'll go with 8 for Mumbai Indians in the team balance.
Yeah. Very conveniently, I'm coming in at 8.5. Not just because I want to balance things off, but I genuinely think the team balance is there. Just let me have a look at the team once. Yeah, as Vignesh said, the problem in the middle overs, at the 3rd and the 4th and the 5th over, basically, I think Hardik, having missed the India tour to England and the World Test Championship finals, I think the aim was to get him ready for the T20 World Cup. I think he will be working hard towards bowling at least 4 overs because it's T20 format and 4 overs is something that, you can actually manage Hardik. I don't know how good his back is right now. Yeah, but considering that, and a wise man once said on a podcast on the Sports Republic was that never count the Pandya brothers out. Who was that?
Wiki, that's Wiki ways.
Yeah, so he said that, and yeah, I think I'm gonna take Master Vignesh's wise counsel, and I'm gonna give them an 8.5 for their team balance. Leadership group, Vignesh, I'll go to you first.
I don't think any team has. Mumbai Indians basically have left nothing to prove here. 5 titles in 8 years, and it has to come with leadership. You appoint Rohit Sharma, Ricky Ponting becomes the coach. They make way and they transition so beautifully. Ponting hands over to Jayawardene. He takes it over. Paulie comes in for Sharma, as you rightly said. I don't think there is anything left. I guess they have to give management lessons to all the other teams as well in terms of leadership. A huge 9.5. I don't think I have rated any parameter, but I'll go for Mumbai Indians, 9.5.
Because another wise man from England called Michael Vaughan said that Mumbai Indians is better than the Indian team. Would you agree? And on that basis, I want you to rate the leadership group.
I mean, I won't really agree to that, but I still think कि जैसे यार विघ्नेश ने बोला क्या ही प्रूव करने के लिए बचा है, 5 टाइटल ले चुके हैं, एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट 5 टाइटल. मेरे को लगता है कि रोहित शर्मा हिमसेल्फ, एंड आई थिंक पोलार्ड जो है जिसके बारे में तूने भी बोला कि वो लगता है कि अगर रोहित शर्मा 5 मिनट के लिए भी बाहर हो, पोलार्ड इज दैट कैरेक्टर जो हैंडल कर सकता है सब कुछ. And if you follow their social media, if you follow their series as well, you get that sense कि यार ये team एक मतलब they are together.
Well knit team.
Well knit team, right? There is Jayawardene who is again calm and everything. We all know the genius, what kind of genius he is. So Jayawardene, Paulie, and Rohit Sharma makes 9 for me, and that's the highest for anyone rather here.
Yeah, I also haven't given anybody 9.5. So Vignesh has broken the ceiling there. I am also giving them a 9. Again, the same bloody reasons that you guys said. One is 5 titles, man. You can't question the leadership group after that. And Mumbai Indians as a franchise are a very rich franchise. They can take care of their people. You see how last year they, flew Quinton de Kock on a chartered jet. They wanted to get him as soon as ready for the second game of the season, and they do everything for their players. I mean, just for those reasons.
Just by the way, Tendulkar bhi aa gaya hai isme Dubai mein, so he is in the
Mumbai. And just to add a little bit about Mahela Jayawardene, guys, do you remember the 2011 Indian team and Gary Kirsten? I think I have similar vibes from this Mumbai Indian teams. A team full of superstars, which needs to be handled by a guy who's very smart, humble, gives them their space to explore, and just to explode. And that combination is great. It worked for the Indian team. I think it works for Mumbai Indians, and for that reason, I'm going to give them a 9. With that, our averages for the 4 parameters for Vignesh comes to an 8.25 for Mumbai.
Because of the overseas.
Because of the overseas, but your average for Chennai Super Kings comes at 8.5. Yes. So, yeah. You have to. I have to point it. I have to point out. Just saying. Yeah. So, and for both me and Vikas, it comes at an 8.5, which comes to the Sports Republic, the experts that we are giving them an 8.4166666667 as an average, which will go with a with an 8.4 on that. Yeah, that was Mumbai Indians rated from the Sports Republic before the start of the second phase of the IPL 2021. There are other videos, other franchises we have rated similarly. If you want to have a look, go to the playlist of this video and you'll find the ratings over there. Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you guys for joining me.
Thank you.
And we'll see you.